Craftcation is an amazing 5-day conference, especially for artists and makers out in Ventura, California, that takes place every April. This is my 8th year attending Craftcation, and I'd love for you to tag along with me and get a peek of just how amazing this experience is. So every April for the past 5 years, I've flown cross-country to Ventura, California to stay at the Marriott Ventura Beach, which hosts the super fun Craftcation Conference, which is put on by Dear Handmade Life. Craftcation is chock full of tons of activities. It hosts about 500 attendees each year, and there's lots of stuff going on simultaneously, so it's kind of choose your own adventure style. There's usually 2 or 3 business workshops happening at any given time, and 5 or more arts or crafts-based workshops too. So you can get a healthy mix of learning new crafty skills and honing your business finesse during your time here. This is my 4th year having the honor of teaching at Craftcation. I went my first year long ago as an attendee, and now I get to teach. As a CPA and a financial educator with Paper and Spark, I'm teaching classes on things like bookkeeping, e-commerce metrics, and pricing for profit this year. I also get to be part of a panel workshop where several of us are sharing information on how to hire help and outsource for your business. Now this year I didn't get a lot of extra time to take some art workshops, but in years past I've really enjoyed watercolor meditation and iPad pattern design. They offer everything from sewing to ice dyeing to embroidery to yoga on the beach. Instead, this year I took more time to wander the beautiful streets of the beachside town that is Ventura and take some lovely strolls along the ocean. In addition to all of these classes, Craftcation offers tons of time to connect and mingle with your fellow crafty-minded attendees. There are happy hours, dance parties, craft-alongs, and wanderings. You also have to check out the pop-up shop. Every year it gets bigger and better. Attendees can submit their work to be sold throughout the conference in here, and you may even spy my goal-getting guidebook on the shelf. Working as a self-employed maker is amazing, but it can be a lonely gig sometimes. That's why I highly recommend checking out a conference like Craftcation. It's a super welcoming, inclusive community, and I really love making this conference part of my annual routine. It's definitely one of the highlights of my year.